रिस्पेक्टेड जूनियर्स। तो फरमाया है कि इरशाद इरशाद जरा किताबों में दिल लगा लीजिए, जरा किताबों में दिल लगा लीजिए, जरा शैतानी से दिल हटा लीजिए, मस्ती में समय यूं ना गवा दीजिए, एग्जाम्स आ रहे हैं जरा पढ़ा लीजिए। With these lines, I am Shambhavi Rai and I am Anandita Chaube from class 11 Commerce. We are going to conduct today's assembly activity. Old is gold, but gold never becomes old. For a positive thought, I would like to call Jayant.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought is old is gold because old things have stories, memories and magic that new things can't replace. I repeat my thought. Old is gold because old things have stories, memories and magic that new things can't replace. Thank you.
Thank you Jayant. हर शब्द के मतलब सहस्त्र हैं। शब्दों का जिंदगी में बड़ा महत्व है। For word of the day, I would like to call Vansh.
Good morning everyone. The word of the day is indolent. For example, the meaning of indolent is lazy. For example, his indolent attitude kept away his from achieving his goals. Thank you.
Thank you Vansh. Anindita, don't you think we study seriously only when there is any test or exam? Yes, Shambhavi, it's a psychological fact. For some interesting facts, I would like to call Sakshi and Krati.
Good morning to the all present here. Are you aware of some ancient facts? If no, we are here to tell you about some interesting ancient facts. Rusty iron pillar, the 400 C Delhi iron pillar remains corrosion resistant due to advanced metallurgy. Ancient Indians were experts in metallurgy. They had mastered the process of zinc extraction during the 10th BC. Chess invented Chaturanga 6th century CE was an early strategy game that evolved into chess. Yoga was practiced in ancient India. There are several evidences to prove that the spiritual practice was a way of everyday life of the ancient Indians. Cotton textiles. India pioneered cotton weaving by 3000 BCE, producing fine fabric like Dhaka muslin. Advanced scientific concepts like test tube babies, cloning and timetables are mentioned in Mahabharata, which was written around 3rd century BC. Nalanda University, founded 5th century CE, it was a global hub for advanced studies in math, astronomy and philosophy. An ancient text, which was written around 600 BC, talks about atomic theory. It clearly states that every object is made up of atoms and several atoms combine to form molecules. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Krati and Sakshi. Anandita, do you remember one day our respected Tiwari ma'am was asking what we learned from our school and life? Yes, I remember. We want to answer those questions. So first, I want to ask from you all. Please tell me what is our attention position? Please, all of you. Boys? Yes, so you remember. So, stairs scares us until we climb them. Repeat, I repeat, stairs scares us until we climb them. I would like to explain in Hindi. We are in the 11th standard. हमने नर्सरी से 10th तक सारी क्लासेस पास की हैं और उनसे हमने पता है क्या सीखा है? हमने उनसे यही सीखा है कि हम जिस भी क्लास में होते हैं उसी का सिलेबस हार्ड लगता है और जब हम क्लास पास कर लेते हैं तो वो इजी लगने लगती है। तो फिर हमें लगता है कि काश अभी हम 10th में होते तो हम और अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर लेते। तो नाउ आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आई सेड। Stairs scares us until we climb them. So for further learning, I would like to call Sargam.
Good morning everyone. One and all present here. I am Sargam Jain and I am here to speak lesson of life. Never be bullied into silence. Never allow yourself to be made a victim. Accept no one's definition of your life. Define yourself. It's okay to fail sometimes. It's okay to ask for help. The past is not to be forgotten but to be learned from. Gold, just like gold, old value shines brightness in time of darkness. Thank you.
Thank you, Sargam, for taking the initiative. At last, we want to present one shayari on the feeling of backbencher. But we want permission of respected principal ma'am. Ma'am, may I? तो कहा है कि माना किताबों में दिल नहीं लगता, माना किताबों में दिल नहीं लगता, टॉप तो कर ले हम भी, मगर टॉपर सा बनने का मन नहीं करता। प्लीज, दिस वॉज जस्ट फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पस, डोंट टेक इट सीरियसली। प्लीज स्टडी हार्ड, एग्जाम्स आर कमिंग।
With these lines, we are ending today's assembly activity. Hope you learned something.
And enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.